Filing receipt. A filing receipt is a document the state government issues to confirm that a certificate of incorporation has been filed in that state. Business owners receive a filing receipt when their corporation is registered by the state. The document records the date of incorporation, the name of the registered agent, and the filed address for the business. A filing receipt can come in handy when submitting your loan application. If you're missing some of the documentation that the lender needs, a filing receipt can often be used as a replacement. Banks often require a copy of the filing receipt before issuing a line of credit to the company. Once you get your filing receipt, be sure to store it in a safe place. Many states won't reissue a filing receipt even if it's lost or destroyed.